Hi there, I'm going to talk to you about your Porter & Charles 30-inch built-in wall oven. To turn the oven on, you hit the power button. Right now the oven is just on and you haven't chose a function yet. So I'm going to go down. This is your bottom element working. This is your pizza mode where you have the bottom element and your convection mode. This is a bottom element and your fan working together. This one you have your top element, your grill element, and the fan. That's a good roasting mode. This is just your top element and your grilling. This is your grill mode. This is your top and bottom element with the fan. This is good for baking. This mode here is your convection mode. It's the back element and the fan working together. This is probably going to be your most used function. It's the most even cooking in the oven cavity. This one is your conventional oven mode where you have the top and the bottom element working. And then this mode here is defrost. So this mode, it's not generating any heat, just the fan is blowing the air around in the oven, which helps thaw food in about half the time. You are able to set a timer by hitting the clock, so you'll have the bell come up, and then you're able to set the timer for whatever you need. So in 3 minutes, the timer is going to go off, the oven will beep at you. You are also able to set a duration time, so hit the clock twice and duration will come up, and then you're able to set your clock, to turn off for your desired time. So this is going to turn off after 5 minutes. If you hit the clock button 3 times, you'll be able to set your end time. So if you need to, right now it's 10:19, so if you're gonna only cook for about an hour, then you can set the clock to turn off the oven in that hour. To set the clock on your oven, hit and hold the clock button until it flashes to hour. You are then able to customize the time either up or down using the arrow buttons. If you leave it for a second, it'll go over to the minute timer. And then you're able to adjust the minutes. If you just leave it, and then it'll set to 11:20. And that is how you set the time on the oven. And that is all you need to know about the Porter & Charles ovens.